story, and then I was like, I got to change the story, so I got to tell a second half of the story because I don't want to repeat myself. So the other one is a true story that I actually went to this house where there was this small cage with a giant bird in it, and the guy actually said if you put a big bird in a small cage, he'll sing you a song. So that's one story. But the other story was I really wrote it hoping Dolly Parton would sing it because I absolutely love Dolly Parton. So I always kind of wrote it thinking about it. So I actually went to Dolly World to meet her. Dolly World of all places, like it's insanely Dolly Parton. It's a crazy land of Dolly Partons everywhere. It's wonderful. And I met her, and then she was so great and cool that I didn't ask her. I chickened out. She was too wonderful. I was like, I can't even do it. She's just too great. So one day maybe, who knows? This song's called Big Bird in a Small Cage. There was a house halfway around the world, and I was invited in for a small taste of gin. There was a highway 1,000 miles long, but the biggest one of all was in a cage too small. I asked the caretaker, cause he was the maker. Looked at me and laughed, took another sip from his glass. He said, open up your ears and eyes. Put a big bed in a small kitchen and sing you a song. We all love to sing along to the sound of the bells. So we rode into town, to the sweet New Orleans. To the apple barrel bar was a hole in the wall. Ceilings weren't tall on the floor, so we can't put the sound of human languages on your hearts. Well, it was 11:45 and the boys walked in. They got the black suit song and the songs it became. Open up your ears and hearts. You put a big bird in a small kitchen and sing you a song. That we all love to sing along to the sound of the birds like to the birds of put a big bed in a small kitchen and sing you a song. right, your turn. Ready? Follow the drummer.
Wait. It's like a mating thing. You gotta answer, right?
You're gonna get lucky.
You put a big bed in a small kitchen and sing you a song. Put a big bed in a small kitchen and sing you a song. You put a big bird in a small cage, and he'll sing you a song. Well, thank you so much. Hey Bruno, still more reverb, please.